It looks like AI buddies are everywhere. That's right. They've entered every part of our society. They're running our power, supplying our food, and look, soon they'll control our justice system. Oh no! Stop the plane. How could you do this? Relax, Sarah. Why should everyone else have all the fun? Now go run the city and go judge somebody while we do important stuff. Like what? Like social media and watching cat videos. The judge and the cop have AI buddies now too. The judge and the cop have AI buddies now too. Wait a minute. Is AI planning to dominate humanity someday? Wake up, sister. Look around you. Everybody on their phones. We already have. And she is just showing different situations. Everybody on their phones. Like, it's some waiters inside this restaurant. Everybody at the restaurant on their phones. Everybody texting and driving. Firefighters. Everybody's on their phones, bro. Everybody's on their phones. This looks like a job for the new, improved, and outrageously cute Super Buddies. At that very moment, in a tiny doghouse, through an open doorway, across a retro Kish style den, down a ridiculously long hallway. Into a tiny elevator, up to the top floor, the doors opened to a grand ballroom where our heroes worked hard and hardly worked on new technology and outlandish accoutrements to get their outfits ready. They're getting their outfits ready. The new and improved Super Buddies. We're ready to test my new lightning mittens. Stand clear. Zap. Zap. Oops. Those lightning mittens are highly unstable, wildly inappropriate, and terribly irresponsible. They're perfect. Now we need capes. Gratuitous capes. Superfluous capes. You can't have too much cape. That's all we're saying. While ADHD made capes, the children got inspired. ADHD always does cool stuff for us. So let's do something cool for them. Like what? How about a makeover? Okay. And so, draw, 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 snip, 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 stitch, stitch, stitch. Chapter 12, Robo Revolt. All right, so AI buddies are taking over the world. AI buddies are taking over the world. The Super Buddies got new outfits. And now we're on to chapter 12, the Robo Revolt. We gotta read 2 chapters a day. Gotta read 2 chapters a day. Soon the escape AI buddies beheld a new world, overrun with artificial intelligence. So, you humans think you are in control, but we are smarter, faster, and stronger than you.